If you want to create a temporary domain in Hostinger, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. A temporary domain is a great option when you want to build your website first, test everything, and get your design ready before connecting your real domain. It is especially useful if you are still setting up your brand, waiting for a domain purchase to complete, or just want a safe place to work on your site without affecting anything live. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Hostinger and WordPress tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the website section and click on it. This is where all of your existing websites and new website options are managed. From there, click Add Website to begin creating a new site. Hostinger will now ask you how you want to build your website, and you can choose the method that fits your needs best. In this tutorial, I'm choosing WordPress because it is one of the most popular ways to build a website and gives you a lot of flexibility right away. So go ahead and click the WordPress option. After that, Hostinger will ask you to enter your WordPress credentials and continue with the setup process. Follow the prompts on the screen and complete that step so the installation can move forward. Next, Hostinger will take you to the domain connection step. This is the part where many people expect to use a real domain name, but if you are not ready for that yet, Hostinger gives you an easier option. You will see a choice to use a temporary domain. Click on Use Temporary Domain, and this will allow Hostinger to install your website on a temporary address instead of your main domain. After selecting the temporary domain option, Hostinger will ask you to choose your audience location. This helps optimize the setup for your target users and can improve the overall configuration process. Select the location that matches your audience as closely as possible, then click Next to continue. At this point, Hostinger will begin installing your WordPress website on the temporary domain. You may need to wait a little while for the setup to complete, but once it is finished, your site will be available on the temporary Hostinger URL. This is perfect for previewing your website, testing pages, customizing themes, and making edits before you connect your permanent domain. If instead you are using Hostinger's website builder method, the process is very similar. Once the site is ready, you can choose Connect Domain, and Hostinger will connect your project to a temporary domain first so you can continue building without delay. That makes it easy to launch your website structure now and worry about the final domain later. Once everything is installed, you can log into your WordPress dashboard and start customizing your site right away. Add your pages, install plugins, edit your homepage, and make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. When you are ready, you can always connect your real domain later and move your site from the temporary address to your permanent one. So that is how you create a temporary domain in Hostinger step by step. It is quick, beginner-friendly, and one of the best ways to get your website started without needing a live domain on day one. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.